Hey Jeep lovers, welcome back to Adventure Jeep, your go-to spot for off-road tips, Jeep upgrades, and the best gear reviews. In today's video, we're diving into the best clutch for Jeep Wrangler. Whether you're tackling tough trails, hauling gear, or just want smoother shifts on the road, upgrading your clutch makes all the difference. We've reviewed the top 5 Jeep Wrangler clutches you can find on Amazon, from OEM replacements to heavy-duty Stage 2 kits built for off-road power. Stick around till the end to see which one fits your Jeep lifestyle best. Number 5. ClutchMaxPRO Performance Stage. For Wrangler owners who demand serious off-road capability, the ClutchMaxPRO Stage 2 Clutch Kit with Flywheel is built to handle extreme conditions. Designed for Wrangler 1994 to 2002, and compatible with Cherokee and TJ models, this kit provides increased torque handling and durability compared to stock options. Its heavy-duty flywheel ensures stronger bite and better heat dissipation, which is essential when tackling steep rocky climbs or towing heavy loads. Jeep enthusiasts often highlight how much more confidence they feel when shifting gears on trails, thanks to its firm engagement and improved grip. While the clutch pedal is stiffer than stock, most users agree it remains manageable for daily driving. For Jeepers who split their time between city streets and challenging off-road terrains, this kit offers a perfect performance balance. Number 4. A Premium Clutch Kit. The Premium Clutch Kit is a reliable replacement option for Jeep owners who want affordability without compromising too much on performance. Compatible with Wrangler YJ 1994 to 1995, Wrangler TJ 1997 to 2006, Cherokee XJ 1994 to 2001, and Grand Cherokee ZJ 1994 to 1996, this kit offers a wide fitment range, making it a versatile choice. Many Jeep drivers note that this kit restores the clutch system's responsiveness, providing smoother shifts and dependable power transfer. Its components are built with durable friction materials, ensuring longevity for daily driving and light trail adventures. While it may not offer the same level of performance as a Stage 2 kit, the Premium is perfect for those who want a budget-friendly, straightforward replacement that delivers consistent reliability. For Wrangler owners who primarily use their Jeep for commuting with occasional off-road trips, this clutch is a practical solution. Number 3. LUK Clutch Kit. The LUK Clutch Kit with EFT HD Nodular Flywheel is a strong contender for Jeep Wrangler drivers who want OEM reliability with added durability. Designed to fit Wrangler and Grand Cherokee 1994 to 2000, this kit provides a solid balance of smooth daily driving and dependable trail performance. What makes this option stand out is the inclusion of a nodular iron flywheel, known for excellent heat resistance and long-lasting strength. Jeep enthusiasts appreciate that it reduces vibration and ensures consistent clutch engagement, even during tough climbs or stop-and-go traffic. Installation is relatively straightforward, and many reviews highlight that the kit comes complete with all the essentials needed for replacement. Backed by a 12-month warranty, it gives Wrangler owners peace of mind that they're covered against premature wear or defects. Number 2. ClutchMaxPRO Performance Stage. If you're looking for a high-performance clutch kit that can handle rugged off-road terrain, the ClutchMaxPRO Stage 2 Clutch Kit and Flywheel is an excellent choice. Built specifically for Wrangler 1997 to 2004 TJ, and compatible with Cherokee and Grand Cherokee models, this kit is engineered for Jeep owners who demand extra holding power and torque handling. The included heavy-duty flywheel provides stronger bite and better heat dissipation compared to stock parts. Users report noticeable improvements in gear shifts, particularly under heavy loads or when tackling steep inclines. This makes it ideal for off-road enthusiasts, rock crawlers, or anyone who regularly hauls gear. Despite being a Stage 2 performance kit, many Jeep owners say the clutch pedal feel remains manageable for daily driving. This balance between street comfort and off-road power is what sets the ClutchMaxPRO apart from many other aftermarket kits. Number 1. Schaeffler LUK RepSet 05-065 Clutch Kit. The Schaeffler LUK RepSet 05-065 is a trusted OEM replacement clutch kit known for reliability and factory quality fit. Designed to match Jeep's original specifications, this kit is compatible with several models, including Wrangler 1994 to 2006, Cherokee, and Grand Cherokee. Jeep owners praise it for its smooth engagement and consistent pedal feel, making it ideal for both city driving and light off-road adventures. Installation is straightforward, and many users report that it fits perfectly without modification. The clutch material is built to withstand daily driving demands, while still offering durability for moderate off-road use. For Jeepers seeking a budget-friendly OEM replacement, this LUK kit delivers dependable performance without sacrificing quality. So that's our list of the top 5 best clutches for Jeep Wrangler. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Adventure Jeep, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss our latest Jeep upgrades, off-road gear reviews, and trail tips. Which clutch do you think works best for your Wrangler? Drop your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear your Jeep stories. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your Jeep ready for adventure.